Meta's new text-to-video AI generator is like DALL-E, but for video. What a terrifying GIF you've provided me here, TheVerge.com. Just type the description, and the AI generates matching footage. So somebody typed in, oh my God, make a video. The text prompt used to create the video was a teddy bear painting a portrait. Oh my God. Will, don't do this to me. Oh. AI text-to-image generators have been making headlines in recent months, but researchers are already moving on to the next frontier. AI text-to-video generators. A new system called Make a Video. Of course, it comes from Meta as well. Hey, Meta, make a video. Here's what's in my imagination. Oh. Here's what's in my dark, twisted fantasy. That's a record.
Yeah. By Yay?
That's a Yay reference.
Yeah.
Thought I might have gone over your head, but I forgot.
You know me.
I forgot you were college dropout, polo backpack. I forgot you've been around that long.
Well, I watched the documentary. That's it.
I forgot you've been around that long. I forgot how old you were.
Yeah.
And, I look across and I see youthful radiance.
Exuberance?
Yeah, but then you remind me that you're 46 and it surprises me every time.
Yeah.
Surprise me every time. Generative AI research is pushing creative expression forward by giving people tools to quickly and easily create new content, said Meta. With just a few words of lines of text, Make a Video can bring imagination to life and create one-of-a-kind videos full of vivid colors and landscapes, said Mark.
So there's more examples here.
Okay, let's see them. See what we got.
So there's no sound.
A young couple walking in heavy rain. Oh, they're like merged together.
But how do they do that?
Nightmare
it's
fuel.
Like the ground's wet and then they have the reflection.
Yeah, look at the left foot on the person on the left. And if are they forwards or backwards? Look at the left foot. Oh, ow. Right there. What? Unicorns running along a beach. Wow, man, this is some alien stuff.
Yeah.
Scary futures.
It's like they copy and paste, too.
Scary futures.
And then there's the bear one.
What is what, Will? You know what it reminds me of? You know what this reminds me of, Will? You go to the supermarket. And what do you buy at the supermarket? In the produce section. Are you really buying a blueberry or an apple? Are you buying those things?
What are you talking about? You're talking about GMOs?
I'm talking about how you buy it based on appearance. You can't taste it.
Okay.
It's crazy.
Well, you can.
Wow.
If you want a blueberry, you can absolutely try and taste it.
No rinse?
I don't know. I wouldn't do that. But I know some people would.
Well, you go to Costco, they'll give you go to the frozen section, they'll give you a sample. But
sure.
I'm saying that people, your interpretation of quality gets easily skewed by the rearranging of characteristics. So by this, I mean, you see a nice, shiny apple, you're like, that's a good apple. But the attribute, a major attribute that matters is what it tastes like. That's the effect of the food ultimately. But the real thing has limitations. Whatever, it's more expensive or the yield is lower. Or you go try and get wild blueberries. It costs you $28 for a Tim Hortons cup full of them. That's where this comes in. This is the equivalent. It doesn't taste as good. Something's wrong about it, but it's so damn easy comparative to, it's not easy, but it will be at a point.
Yeah.
Like, why would you capture anything? It's so much work. And you'll be like, no, it's the real thing. And no one will care because the memes will be blowing up and everybody will be chomping down on shiny apples.
And it's so convincing.
It's convincing enough.
Yeah.
It's like better than stock footage. You're going to just be able to plug in whatever scenario you want.
Oh, God. For some reason, the filter that's on this one makes it very unsettling. Like a 90s. You remember Max Headroom?
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah. It reminds me of that.
Oh,
Just
yeah.
like this unsettling
Listen,
image.
maybe we're overreacting, Will. But maybe we're not. So let's leave it at that.
I don't even know.
Let's leave it at that. Who knows what's going to happen here? DALL-E, AI, this and that. We're not shutting anything down, so it doesn't matter. But like, is our future full of teddy bears painting teddy bears? Probably.
Oh.
Probably.
Can it not?
No, probably. You're done. Okay. You're done, bud.